The Tesla Cybertruck is perhaps the most recognizable new vehicle on the road today, and probably the most innovative as well. In addition to traffic-stopping looks, this giant stainless steel hunk of electric pickup has an aircraft-style steer-by-wire system, a cargo bed with a power retractable hard tonneau cover, and the ability to tow a claimed 11,000 pounds. It's available as either the 600 horsepower dual motor all-wheel drive or the Beast, which makes 834 horsepower from a trio of electric motors. While both are bloody fast, the Beast is the quickest pickup we've ever tested, with a 2.6-second 60th time. It managed a so-so 250 miles of range in our highway fuel economy test, a number that's in line with results of other big, heavy electric trucks. Though it looks nothing like other Teslas, or anything else for that matter, its interior and functionality should be familiar to Tesla 3s X and Y owners. The GMC Hummer EV Pickup comes closest to the extra crazy of the Cybertruck, while the new Rivian R1T Quad Motor one-ups it in terms of motor count and horsepower. But we've yet to test its acceleration. Aside from looking like it landed from another galaxy, the Cybertruck is actually a nice driving and reasonably practical full-size electric pickup, similar in capability and price to its equally huge EV rivals.
I think it's the same as the other car. It's much more about hitting it right in front of him. You lose a gear?
The clutch.
Oh.
This car had it. It was beaten before. It's not going into gears. This will be a